Good afternoon, guys. When last did you see fine little models like this? This is a Corgi, a Ford 5000 or a Super Major. This is a very nice tractor. We used to play with this when we are kids in the 60s with a lift, and it came with some implements. And look at this crystal lights that it have. Standard. It was also always very special when we are young. This Ford 5000, it cost 99 cents that time, guys. 99 cents. And I paid for this one a couple of years over 500 rand. I think, in fact, it was 750 rand. It was a couple of years ago that I bought this one in this condition just to get it back. It cost 99 cents when we were young. The tractor alone, which was a lot of money that time. This is supposed to be chrome. You can see there's a little bit of chrome left. And at the same era, the same tires, rims, is this Ferguson 165 with a loader. You also get it without a loader. And what is strange, this one doesn't come out with the crystal lights. It's just painted, but you can see it is exactly the same rims as that one. It's exactly the same era, guys. So I'm not sure why it came out like this. And this was not steerable, and the Ford 5000 was steerable. It's exactly the same period time, just with a loader. Very nice scale model with a European type of lights. The ones we have, it sit on the sides. The front lights sit on the sides. Okay, and then on the same era came this massive, this is a David Brown model. It was just white. The rims look a little bit different, and it had plastic lift, but it's the same action. But it actually missed, when I bought it, it missed a hood. It looked like this. And I manufactured this one myself out of tin plate. And also put crystal lights on from artificial jewelry. I took it off and glue it on there. And it fits the tractor actually very nice. It look again like just like a David Brown. I think this came out very nice. I sprayed it evenly the same color. This was also steerable. And what I want to show is Big Charlie Charlie from Big Charlie Garage have a brand new one of this Dragtor, what they name. It's a Hot Wheels model, and this one is very old. It came from, I bought it somewhere in the 80s, and it show here it was made in Malaysia. So Charlie, I would like to know if yours is also made in Malaysia, because it's still in a package and you just bought it. But yours, I remember, it was a red bonnet and it had the shape of Massey Harris. But this bonnet fits actually very nice on this model as well. But I think I will make a red one, and shape it like Massey Harris so that it can be as original as possible. That's all that I have left from the tractor. It's only the bonnet is gone. Okay, and then I'm going to make, I've got this one made already, but I think I need one that looks really like I forgot actually how it looked, and then I see on Big Charlie's channel how the bonnet must look. So I've got a good idea now what to do. So I will do that as well in some time in an upcoming video. So this is just a couple of more models that I have, guys, of the 300 plus minus 300 models I have. Hello my friends, I've got here 4 old batteries. This is the torch batteries, the biggest type, and I'm going to check every one and see which 2 is the strongest. I'll show you now what I want to do. Let me just focus you up here to the meter, and then I will, let me just focus this or enlarge it like that, more or less. And then I will, you can check the meter. Okay, let's go for the first one. Okay, the first one is about 1.6 volts. That one is just about 1.2 volt. And that one is just 1.1 volt about. And this one is 1.25 more or less. Okay, this is the motor for my Weber Rotissorie. You all know this thing, I believe. So let's open it and put the 2 batteries in and see if it will run for us. Of course, okay, it's running. Okay guys, what I want to do is I found this part of the rotisserie. I had this, the centerpiece, I had it all the time. It was not gone, with this one fork that was on here, but I missed this one for the past 3.5 years. This one was gone, and I found it in an outside room in a crate, and you can see, and that crate stand outside for a while so that's why it is so rusted. So, but luckily it still turned. So I'm going to clean up everything, but this I will first just put it in tartaric acid just to clean it up a little bit, and then we will make it nice again. And there is the ring you can see there beneath the chair. This is for the Weber. And then one of these days I will make a very nice barbecue with this set again, and I'll take you along all the way. But first let's get that in water and the acid. Okay, let's throw it in and see how it came out after a while. Okay guys, just a wire wheel and a nice clean up, and then we can make a nice barbecue sometime. Guys, and this is another 25 years old toy radio control that we bought for our son, also when he was obviously a child. And this is the rear tires, very wide. I just screw it loose. There's the screws. It came out very nice and easy. Just to clean it up, I will see there was a lot of dust and so on. So I'm going to put it back quickly, and I'm busy charging its battery, and then we can give it a go. Okay, there it is with its tires and the radio, and it make heavy wheelies. That's why there's a tire at the back, guys. Okay friends, here comes a repair up for us. I've charged the battery and the lights is flickering, and this is the radio. Now if we switch it on, nothing happened. So somewhere is a loose contact, as the same as I have with the yellow truck. So in the next video or sometime I will open this and see what is the problem. Okay my friends, hope you enjoyed this miscellaneous video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.